What's up guys, it's Alego here with part 16. Numbers are getting big. Let's crack into it, not waste too much time. As you can probably know or tell just by looking at obviously this, you can tell that it's changed. Yeah, I've lost the desk. That's been reclaimed by its rightful owner, and that's okay. We'll make things work. Alright, so getting into it, this here. Give me 2 seconds to turn the flash on. There we go. I don't know if it is bad or not in the final production, but at least while we're recording, from the angle I'm looking at it looks better. Yeah, as you are seeing on the recordings or the upload side of things, I'm trying hard to make it consistent, just because I've got a lot more sets to do. So and I'm sure you all want to see the finished product of what I've been working on for the past lot of months. So with it being moved, it wasn't actually me that moved it. So I am got to relearn where everything is, which isn't ideal, but like I said, we'll deal with it. For that, now I'm gonna get a furlong, black furlong. Where you at? Where you at? Oh man. Because everything got moved, I don't even know if everything's here. So there's that. Let me just check that. Yeah. There we go, there's a furlong. Rotate that round, and this is going to go let me see if I can show it. So you see that white one there, look at that there, boom, that one, and that one. That's what this is going to connect on to. That wiki. And then that should have that sticking out there. Alright. Put that down there. Let's see what's next. Another one. Nice. For the other side. Man, I think that's the last one, because I don't see any more in there. So this time Let me move and shuffle in closer, and I'm gonna move my whole setup. I might need a bigger board, to be honest, for some other future projects. Like if you thought this one was long, man, we've got something in store. Something big coming. Biggest thing I'll have ever done, and I'll probably no, there's more bigger ones than what I'm getting, but it's gonna be cool. Let me actually shuffle that around. I seem to have it sitting over here a bit more. I'm still again getting used to the new setup that I've got. Another 4 long. There. Just like that. And then that's gonna go on this other side. Same deal. It's very hard to show when it's getting this big. So, in there. And this isn't actually probably this big. Sure, it's probably one of the biggest sets that I've done. Well, at least in terms of scale. It's not the biggest one out there. Which is a bit concerning. At least to me. Because if this is big, where am I going to store bigger stuff? I'll look up the scale for this for next episode. Just so I can see and let you guys know how big it actually is. In proportion to other sets. There we go. This goes so what I think is more important is being able to see what's going on for you guys. So sure, it's convenient and nice for me to have all my little bottles right next to me, but it's you guys that matter. So let's zoom in. These two here, we're gonna go into this over here. Just like that. Again, I'm not too sure how easy it is to see some of this stuff. Okay. Zoom back out. of... No, I've jumped a step. That comes next. This step. That. Two of these. It's very white. Bright white. Yeah, so as you guys know, I do just do this with my phone. Do this recording with my phone, so I don't really have any other means to do stuff with. Right, that on there, and this goes in this hole here. Just like that. These ones are easy enough to record. Right. Now we go to this. There are ones in the future that are obviously bigger that I've got planned. I have ideas for how I want to do them, but I need to get to that stage first. Right, so that's what we got looking. Now we need number 18, which is this fella here, and obviously we know the 18 because if it wants to focus, yeah, 18. Focus back on that. Alright. So this has sticker number 3 on it, which is on sheet obviously A. As you guys know, my focus is immense, and there we go, paid off. Awesome. It's weird that I find placing these stickers so much easier than sticking just regular square ones. Right, and that's gonna go right there, like that. Right, and now I'm gonna have a 3. Placed on that. And then we're gonna have, put that down, these two. So 9, 1, 2, 3. 9. Yes, I know I shouldn't have to count them. I should just know at this stage, shouldn't I? Just be able to pick one up and look at it and go, yep, that's right. Whoops, bumped the camera, why don't I? Right, and that goes there. And that goes. Nope, that's right. does go there. Leaving that one there. Alright, so now we need these. Man, you can tell I'm not used to being able to put it here. So I'll move it across there. Focus back on that. Those things. Two of them. Just put them into each other. Like so and like so. And now it's going to go into there. And then this is going to go into here. Alright, now this blue bit goes onto there. Alright, that took me a second to understand what happened. So that's quite weird, wonky there. One of these. With these, that through the center there. And now this is going to connect onto that last one. There. I'm still trying to figure out some of these instructions. As you can tell, because I'm getting a bit quiet. When I get quiet, it means I'm focusing. So I have this tendency when I'm talking to people for myself to sort of don't know how to get rid of that. I'm so incompetent with technology sometimes. Which I'm doing literally right now. That is exactly what I do. I sort of taper off on my talking. Like I'll be talking about something and then I'll taper off. Which I literally just did. Right, this is going to go over these red parts here. The red part's going to go into the second one. Let's see if I can keep my fat hands from getting too much in the way. Okay. Another 3. Two pins in it. Another 9 long. Where were they? That was gonna go. Man, maybe I should take this back. I'll put it back up here. Right. Make some adjustments here. How's that? It's a little better. Pull this back. Oh, see some of the mess because this is on the floor again. And move that over there. How's that? Let's find out. So there, like that. Through there. And that pin, one down. That is going to go. Whoops, don't pull on that. Now I've got to do the zoom in. It's going to go here. On 4 pins. That's difficult to get on. Come on. In there. Probably just completely blocked that, but that wasn't playing ball. Okay. And now the other one of these, which is number, I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can, but it says 17. But you probably can now. 17. Focus back on that. And this is going to have sticker number, other one, whatever that was, probably 2. Yeah, 2. Now, as much as I'd like to say that the stickers are running out, I still have a lot to go. A lot more stickers. You know, I'm just jumping for joy. Sticker number 2. Alright, and it's going to go on these 2 here. You can probably hear my heater going in the background because it's been a pretty cold day where I live. Let me turn that off, because I can do that. Hopefully it's not too bad in the video. Right. And now you grab this yellow one. Nice flash yellow. Let's zoom back out for the time being. Nice flash yellow. And that's going to get one of those on it. It's going to go through here, and then we're going to get the other one put on it. Like that. You probably didn't even see that. That's where it went. And now I have to undo it. If I looked at the step properly, might not have had to. This will come down. And then this will go through it. That's better. And then that sort of faces the same way. Alright. Now, what we do... I skipped a step as well. So, you see these... Let's zoom in. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, let's go on. Look at that. I'm on the move. This black pin here, if I push that in, so you can see it. Hey, hold up. There we go. Okay, so I'll quickly fix this up, but so you can see those pins end up where those will be. So let's go back to our perch. Get to see the mess I'm sorting out, and let's redo this here. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if you can even see what I'm doing, but let's get you. Let's get in there. Bingo. Other one should be easy, yeah. So I don't know if you saw any there. I think my arm, might have not been too bad. But yeah, I just pushed those pins in, made that all fine and dandy. Alright, last couple of things. Yeah. Last couple steps for today. Let's zoom it back out, just because it's a little easier to get it on. That, and then I think we got the right ones. That goes onto there, and it's one of those bendy things. And then that goes there. So that piece there is going to go there, and that is going to go on those that we place at the start. Too difficult to do with one hand. There we go. Right, and now we're going to do another one of those. So that pin, like that, and now the other side. Zoom in, zoom, zoom, zoom. So it goes in there, and it goes there, just like that. Right, now we're gonna get two of these long ones. It's gonna go here, connect into those ones we did not too long ago. So let's wiggle that one on in. Then you probably know where you're seeing this right now, with my hands in the way, but it's really finicky to put in. Like that. The one you won't see, because again my hands are going to be in the way. Oh, what about that? I don't know if you can see that, and I won't know. There you go. Could you see that? Again, I can't actually see it from the angle I'm on. Alright, now let's do this part here. Starting with the, zoom out again. Starting with this red piece. So focus. That's the problem with this is once it gets focused on one thing, anything that gets in its way, out of focus. Just like that. But anyway, that there. And then some of these, and that, and then a couple more, but this time they're going to face down, like that, down. Let's see. Now two of these. One, two. Just like that. And that is going to go here. It's going to go on there. Like that. One. Alright, and the last couple steps, that there, so we've got that sort of wing thing, and then that's going to sit on that pin there. Alright, and the way that sort of sits is that this isn't going to move. She's moving the whole thing, so it's pretty sturdy. Or the way it's sort of been put in, it's not gonna move. See, but yeah, starting to take shape. I think the bumper's finished, or the front half of it is finished. The next episode we'll do the rear section, or yeah, we should get that rear section done, and maybe the spoiler if I'm pretty savvy about it. But that's very close to being done. We just have the rear section, the spoiler. There's a top that goes over top, obviously. Bit of underside, and then that's pretty much it. Like, we're very close to being finished, guys. I'd say maybe another couple parts, that might be it. Then we'll be able to move on to another project. But alright. Otherwise, that is SO Lego with part 16 for the Lego Porsche 911 RSR. I didn't even say that at the start. I don't know if I've actually been saying that lately. But alright. Peace. See you in the next part.